Okwenjera ko burwire bw'emitwe omuri Kasese nkyegyekyererwa ahampanga rekutwara enda z'endaro bakiri bato obutabanguko mu maka okukosa ebitokoza bwongo hamwe n'ebikosi omu minyeeto. Okurugyerware ASP Ngerese Jeni ari mukuru w'eby'abaana aha polisi ya district ya Kasese nashoborra ngu okushishikara emitwe omuri Kasese kyeyongiire ekiri kwetenga abebembezi n'abantu ba butosho kugira eki bakora. Nagira ngu hariho obwetagi obw'okurwanisa abaishiki okutwara z'endaro bakiri bato egi niyo ngingo nkuru ereetiire eminyeeto okurwara emitwe.
Then we found that the parents suffering because of the same issue. We found that even the domestic violence which arises in our family, it makes our children be traumatized because they cannot bear where the parents are fighting all the time. They are quarreling all the time. Then you found that the children are suffering.
ASP Ngerese nashoborra ngu polisi eriyo neegeza okukora kyona ekiri kubasika okushomesa abantu ba butosha aha kurwanisa obuzibu buri kurugirirwaho okurwara emitwe n'okushishikara obwongo.
Found that we are moving around to tell these children, now we are very open, say that there is a lot of issues the moment you go in the act when you are not annulled. We are making community policing to the public, to the radios and to the schools so that these people can be aware about what is going on.
Obwe hariho izooba ry'okwecuminteriza kurwanisa oburwaire bw'obwongo n'obw'emitwe ahari Kasese Primary School na Kiyini Joani arikwebembera Rising Gabdo Foundation yareka omugasho gw'obukugu obw'ebyemikono omu baana na n'eminyeeto ekiri kubasa kubahwera kurwanisa okushishikara emitwe.
So why we are doing this is to make sure that their mental health is put at a right mindset, for them to know if I can get a sewing machine, go and do some things that in the community, I'm not left to move around just like that as a child. So this is encouraging the students to at least have a skill to do something.
Skills esirimu eriesha abana emibiri y'ebyalo siri very important kutsibu ekiru kya munabwira n'amarangira abana bakayiga emibiri y'ebyalo. One, emibiri y'ebyalo ikale kwatukeri yihiraho okwacho kino wengo omundu iwa bisole byo mwabendu ebiro ambuwa miba. Ekindo kyakabere skills sikakukipika busy iwarekera ibiswanga abantu butukweri yabain every ya joining peer bad groups.
Abarwanirizi b'obugabe bw'abantu nibashaba ngu hateekwaho ekihango omu kuheereza eminyeeto obukugu bw'omu bwongo na n'ebyemikono na n'entebeekanisa ez'okubumbwabumbwa ebiteekateeko okurwanisa okushishikara kw'emitwe n'obwongo omu Banyakasese. Gasha kwa Mate Isaac aha Bwatayari West.